Today we'll be assembling a mini solar-powered toy car made by a Chinese company called Sunsi. I ordered this off Amazon, but it shipped from China. As far as builds go, this one was quite easy compared to others. In the package you will find directions written in Chinese, but the pictures are very helpful. In the package, there are the two side supports, a motor and solar panel which are pre-connected, which makes things easier, 4 wheels, various axles, gears, and screws used to assemble the car. Don't forget to remove the protective coating from the supports. Step 1 in putting the car together is to attach the motor to one side support. This is done by placing the side support over the motor and screwing in 2 screws. After attaching the motor, you then need to connect 2 support frames which connect one side support to the other. The connectors are plastic and the black screws are used to attach them to the frames of the car. Next, you'll need to attach the axles and gears. This is done by placing them through holes that are pre-cut into the frame. After this is done, the other side of the frame is slid down over the axles, which forms a sandwich of sorts with all the gears and pieces in the middle. After sliding on the other frame, you again need to go through the process of screwing the black screws into the connecting pieces. You pop the tires onto the front and back axles, press firmly, but also try to ensure that the wheels can spin freely. The solar panel has an adhesive tab on the back which you peel off and stick to the frame. I tested the car by placing it underneath the light, and the wheels did in fact turn. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll include a link in the description below. Please like and subscribe to my videos and stay tuned for more.